In Java world, where developers are striving to create code that is powerful as superhero, two unsung champions have emerged: seed classes and pattern matching. Today, we will form an unbeatable alliance, bringing superpowers to our Java project. Let's see what are seed classes and how they help in pattern matching. Imagine a world where we do have to form alliance between superheroes and only a selected few are allowed to join the ranks: SpiderMan, WonderWoman, and IronMan. IronMan having the special power because of its suit, let's record it with its power level. Since it is only the selected few which are allowed, let's have a sealed interface which acts as a guardian and permits only Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Wonder Woman to join this league. All of them, Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, and Iron Man, has to implement the contract superhero to enter the league. Now, even after implementing the contract, if you can see that there are errors, because sealed interface is a guardian and it knows that these classes can be subclassed and it can be misused. They need to be very sure and be final so that they cannot be subclassed further. What could be the use of superheroes if they cannot even unleash their power? So let's provide them a way to unleash their power. There must be a method which could help them. If you are still stuck in Stone Ages and using Java 8, you would have used if statements and checking every time the instance of the superhero. You would have kept checking the instance if the superhero is Iron Man or a Spider-Man or Wonder Woman. Based on that, it would have been decided if it is an Iron Man, and then he would have suited up and to save the world with the high-tech armor, or it would have been a Spider-Man who would have been swinging it all in action, or who knows if it is a Wonder Woman, and we'll have to brace for the impact. This way is a bit error prone because we don't know if we have covered all of the superheroes. Another issue with this approach is that even after knowing that which kind of superhero it is, we still have to initialize those superheroes. So if you are not stuck in Stone Ages and you are using the newer Java, let's do one thing. Let's initialize the time you know which superhero it is. It is certainly the better way, but not the best, because it does not cover all of the cases or the problems that we had. We still have to write if else, and we don't know if we have covered all cases. What if we use switch statements and directly switch over the superhero element? Do note that we have not used the break, and it is actually forcing us to cover all the use cases. You can also see that we have deconstructed the Iron Man and we know the power right itself in the beginning. In this thrilling saga of sealed classes, pattern matching, and records, Java has summoned a league of superheroes that are not only bringing the order to the code hierarchy, but also making the programming adventure and more expressive, readable, and enjoyable. So don your capes, grab the utility belts, and get ready for the epic showdown as the Java takes the center stage with sealed classes, pattern matching, and records. A marvelous adventure that will leave you cheering for more.